How to fix Snapchat code SS06. You can fix Snapchat support code SS06 by following these steps. Step 1. Clear cache. Open Snapchat on your device. Then go to your profile. Next, tap on the Settings button. After that, scroll down to Account Actions. From Account Actions section, select Clear Cache. Then tap on Continue button. Step 2. Update Snapchat. Go to Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search icon. After that, tap on the search bar and type Snapchat. If you see an update button, tap on it. If you see open button instead of update button, that means you have the latest version of Snapchat. Step 3. Reinstall Snapchat. Tap on the uninstall button and then again install Snapchat. Step 4. Restart your device. If all the above steps don't work, then try restarting your device. And that's how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06.